learning how we will be finding distance between 2 points, and the first point has to be origin and another point will be anywhere in this quadrant. In the last video, what did we do? In a particular quadrant, if 2 points are being given, but in this case, the first point has to be at the origin. If the point is at the origin, what would be its coordinate? Its coordinate will be 0, 0. And suppose another point is over here. So what would be its coordinate? To reach over here, what you need to do? First you have to move up to this. Up to x you need to move. Then you have to move up to this. So what is the distance from this one to this one? Your initial point is 0 and ending point is x. So what is the distance? Final point minus initial point. X minus 0 is x. So this whole distance is x. And what is the distance between this one? Your initial point is 0 and final point is y. So what is the distance? Final point minus initial point, that is y. So you need to find out the distance between these 2 points. So how it will be looking like? It is looking like a right angle triangle. So what is the length of this one? The length of this one is x. As I told you, the distance between these 2 points are x. And what is the length of this line? I told you the length of this point is y. So this is parallel to this one. So this one will also be y. If you look at this figure, it is looking like a right angle triangle. In right angle triangle, this is 90 degree. This is base, this is perpendicular, and this is hypotenuse. This is hypotenuse of a right angle triangle, but this is the distance between 2 points. So if I will not be using right angle triangle, then I will not be able to find it out. So through right angle triangle formula, I will be finding it out. So to find out the length of hypotenuse, this formula is applicable. H square is equal to P square plus B square. What is P in this case? Y square plus what is B in this case? X square. So what I need to do? I am writing it alphabetically. X square plus y square. You know 2 plus 3 is 5. So you can write it in this way also. 3 plus 2 is 5. The same way I am writing this. So h square is equal to x square plus y square. So what I need to find out? I need to find out h. I need to find out this h. I am not going to find out h square. To find out h, what you need to do? You have to square root it. If you will be square rooting it, then you will be getting h. But in this case, you will not be able to find out the answer. So this will be remain like this. So this will be the formula of h. So what is h? H is distance between origin and a point. So this is the formula. I hope you people have understood this. Thank you, beta.